When it comes to keeping your home spotless, choosing the right vacuum can be a daunting task. Many consumers find themselves overwhelmed by options, often leading to costly mistakes. That's why today, we're diving into the top 5 stick vacuums of 2026, comparing their features, strengths, and real-world performance. Stick around as we reveal which model stands out as our top pick, a surprising choice that redefines convenience and efficiency. Don't forget, links to every product are in the description below. And if you're interested in more helpful reviews, make sure to subscribe. Bissell Featherweight PowerBrush Vacuum. The Bissell Featherweight PowerBrush Vacuum is a fantastic choice for those seeking a lightweight solution for quick cleanups. Weighing in at just under 4 pounds, it is incredibly easy to maneuver around the house, making it ideal for busy individuals or small spaces. Featuring a power brush roll, this vacuum effectively captures dirt and pet hair from carpets and hard floors alike. A standout feature is its ability to convert into a hand vacuum, allowing you to tackle upholstery and stairs effortlessly. However, while its compact design is perfect for quick tasks, it may not have the suction power for deep cleaning larger areas. Corded stick vacuum cleaners. The corded stick vacuum cleaners are designed for those who prioritize consistent power over portability. With a powerful motor that never runs out of battery, this vacuum is perfect for extensive cleaning sessions. The lightweight design makes it easy to transport from room to room, while the long cord ensures you can cover large areas without needing to switch outlets frequently. Its versatility allows for multiple attachments, accommodating everything from carpets to hardwood floors seamlessly. Nevertheless, being corded means you'll have to contend with the limitations of the cord length, which can be inconvenient in larger spaces. Vacmaster Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner 2-in-1. The Vacmaster Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner 2-in-1 is a game changer for those who love flexibility in their cleaning routine. This versatile vacuum easily transforms from a stick vacuum to a handheld device, making it perfect for cleaning cars, stairs, or tight spots. Its strong suction power and HEPA filtration system effectively capture allergens, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. Users appreciate the easy-to-empty dust canister and the lightweight design that prevents arm fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. However, because it's corded, you'll have to ensure you're near an outlet, which can limit your cleaning range in larger homes. Hoover Dirt Devil Simplistik Plus 3-in-1 Vacuum. The Hoover Dirt Devil Simplistik Plus 3-in-1 Vacuum is tailored for those who want versatility without breaking the bank. This vacuum excels at converting between a stick, handheld, and even a stair vacuum with ease, making it a true multi-tool for home cleaning. It's lightweight and features a bagless design, allowing for quick and easy emptying of dirt and debris. Ideal for small apartments or homes with minimal storage space, it effectively tackles both carpets and hard surfaces. One drawback is that while it performs well for light to moderate cleaning, it may struggle a bit with heavier debris. So it's best for everyday cleanups rather than deep cleaning sessions. Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Our top pick, the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, reimagines convenience for modern households. This vacuum offers the freedom of movement without the fuss of cords, making it perfect for quick cleanups and everyday use. With advanced battery technology providing up to 60 minutes of runtime, it easily handles multi-room cleaning in one go. The lightweight design, coupled with powerful suction, makes it a favorite for families and pet owners alike, effortlessly picking up dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. The vacuum's easy-to-empty dust bin and washable filters add to the user-friendly experience. However, potential buyers should be aware that, over time, battery performance may decline, which is something to keep in mind for long-term use. In conclusion, whether you're looking for a compact model for quick cleanups or a versatile option for a deep clean, this list of the top 5 stick vacuums of 2026 has something to suit every need. Remember to consider your specific cleaning habits and home layout to find the perfect fit. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and details on each product. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful reviews.